President Donald Trump's immigration stance was a central part of his campaign message. In an interview with 60 Minutes, he plans to immediately deport approximately 2 to 3 million undocumented immigrants.
Some fencing.
What about the pledge to deport millions and millions of undocumented immigrants?
What we are going to do is get the people that are criminal and have criminal records, gang members, drug dealers. We have a lot of these people, probably 2 million, it could even be 3 million. We're getting them out of our country or we're going to incarcerate. But we're getting them out of our country. They're here illegally. After the border is secured and after everything gets normalized, we're going to make a determination on the people that you're talking about, who are terrific people. They're terrific people. But we're going to make a determination at that. But before we make that determination, Leslie, it's very important. We want to secure our border.
Joining us now is Ann Badmus. She's an immigration expert with Scheef and Stone Council. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions. What challenges does Donald Trump face with implementing this plan of deporting so many immigrants?
Well, with our current system of removal, is what we call it officially, there requires that the immigrants have an ability to go before immigration court. Right now, the immigration courts are substantially backed up. So to say he's going to immediately deport these people, it's not as immediate as it sounds. It would probably take many years before that could happen.
All right, and reports are coming out today saying that immigration lawyers across the country are experiencing a flood of clients now. Is this something that was expected?
Well, once the election results came in, yes, it was kind of expected because there's a lot of fear out there and a lot of uncertainty. Those who are already in the process of trying to get legal status or maintaining legal status have concerns, and those who are, concerned about deportation at this point, or whether there ever is going to be an opportunity to try to correct their status. There's a lot of concerns and uncertainty out there.
All right, and many immigrants are both legal and natural residents here, and they're worried about leaving the country for the holidays, fearing that they could possibly be detained or they would not be allowed re-entry. Now, is that something they should be concerned about?
Well, currently, I mean, until if we're talking about the holidays coming up through, Christmas and Thanksgiving, that sort of thing, that should not be a concern at this point because it's certainly, the administration has not changed over. Come January after that, we don't know what the policies will be in terms of how people are screened when they come into the United States. So at this point, no, that should not be a concern. We're pretty much in the same mode that we have been up to this time.
All right, that's all the time I have. Thanks so much for joining us.
Okay, thank you.